Dear students, let us start with the next chapter, acids, bases and salts. These terms are surely not new to you. We all know that all sour fruits contain acids. We have learned that acids have sour taste, they are corrosive in nature, whereas bases are bitter in taste, they too are corrosive to some extent. They are soapy to touch. The properties of acids and bases can be summarized as: we shall be discussing these properties and some reactions of acids and bases in details in the course of the chapter explanation. We will also see that acids and bases, they cancel each other's effect. Now, for the time being, let us start about a topic called acid-base indicators. These are substances which by their color change help us to identify whether a solution is acidic or basic. They react differently with acids and bases. Now, acid-base indicators may be natural indicators also, that is obtained directly from the nature, like litmus, which is extracted from plants called lichens. Litmus is purple in color when it is neither acidic or basic. In acidic medium, blue litmus turns red, whereas in basic medium, the red litmus turns blue. Some other natural indicators are turmeric, red cabbage leaves, and colored petals of some flowers. Acid-base indicators may also be synthetic or man-made, like phenolphthalein, which is colorless in acidic medium and pink in basic medium, or methyl orange, which is red in acidic medium, in yellow in basic medium. Now let us study about a special class of indicators also called olfactory indicators. They are defined as indicators whose smell varies or changes depending on mixing with acidic or basic solution. Some examples of olfactory indicators are onion extract, vanilla essence, and clove oil. Let us try to understand this with the help of an experiment. Place some cloth strips, thin cloth strips, in a bag containing some onion pieces and tie this bag tight. After this, leave it in the fridge overnight. Now next day, take 2 such strips which really smell strong of onion. And then next step is you add dilute hydrochloric acid on one of them and dilute sodium hydroxide on the other. And then rinse them with water. Even after rinsing with water, what you will see is that the strip 1 still smells of onion, whereas strip 2 has no smell. Even with vanilla essence, you can do an experiment. Now, what you have to do is take 2 test tubes containing small amount of this vanilla extract or essence, and then add few drops of dilute hydrochloric acid and dilute sodium hydroxide in them and shake them really well. What do you see now? It is found that the test tube 1, that is in which you had added hydrochloric acid, still smells of vanilla. And the second test tube, in which you had added sodium hydroxide, does not smell. So this is how, same way you can do an experiment with clove oil. So this is how, with the help of their change in odor, they help us to identify whether a solution is acidic or basic.